Good morning, traders. It's Christian Kerr, Senior Market Strategist, dailyfx.com. In today's price and time for July 15, 2014, I'm looking at the dollar yen, dollar Canada, and Aussie Kiwi. In dollar yen, it's a little bit more of the same. We bounced last week off the 88.6% retracement of the June-July advance. Kind of my key level on the top side remains 102.25. We get a close above there. I think it could be the beginning stages of something more important on the upside. 102.80 is absolutely critical. I think we get through there. That would be the definitive evidence that we do have some sort of breakout from this consolidation. Downside levels. My piece that I talk about kind of 101.05, and obviously the big one is the year's low right around 175. So just keep an eye on those levels. I think that's kind of the key point for the market right now. We've got to get through one of those sides to kind of get any sort of volatility or any sort of directional movement going. In dollar Canada, we had that nice rebound last week off the 106, 106.50 confluence zone that I've been highlighting. And we've gone to test the major pivot right around 107.50. That's kind of the level I need to see get taken out to kind of set off another leg higher if we are going to get one. That would kind of suggest to me that this is more than just a correction, maybe some sort of a more important reversal. So I'm kind of watching that. Obviously, the Bank of Canada meeting will probably be the catalyst one way or the other tomorrow, so keep an eye on that. Lastly, I've talked a lot about this the past few days, and that is this chart, which is the Aussie Kiwi cross rate. I do a lot of work with cycles, and basically this past weekend we were 3,140 days, 41 days from the major low in 2005. A lot of times you'll get interesting turns or at least attempts at turns around this time. I'm wondering if yesterday's outside day was an initial attempt at that. My major support zone is 106.15 to about 105.90. Yesterday's low, interestingly enough, came around 106.18, so we're about 3 pips above that zone. So while we're above that, I'm constructive on it. I think there's a chance we might try to put in some sort of reversal type pattern. If we get below 105.90 on a close basis, that would probably, for me, undermine a lot of this potential for a turn that we have here. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. On the upside, I'd like to see 106.75 initially taken out to confirm that we do have an attempt at a reversal in place, confirm that outside day from yesterday, but I really need to see 107, which is a minor Fibonacci confluence area, taken out to kind of suggest to me that we'd have something more than just a simple dead cat bounce happening here. Anyway, keep an eye on those levels in these markets. I think we should get some nice moves here with Humphrey Hawkins and some other event risk setting up later this week. Good luck, profitable trading. Christian Kerr signing off.